A chase, a crash, and a gunshot.
And it all went down before most of us opened our eyes this morning.
News 4's Taylor Mitchell has the new information.
Oklahoma City police say the chase ended here at Northwest 122nd Street and North MacArthur Boulevard. At some point during the pursuit, an officer's gun went off, hitting the car they were attempting to pull over.
Actually terrified. I actually didn't even want to step outside my home because, like I said, I didn't know how close, and you never know. But it was still crazy that it happened so close to where I stay.
That's Alexis Bynum's reaction after hearing about the early morning car chase that led to a crash and also gunfire by police, which ended close to her home.
It's been a little crazy over here.
The driver of the car, only 15 years old. Police say when they tried pulling over the stolen car, the teen took off, ending the pursuit when he eventually crashed near this Casey's in Northwest Oklahoma City.
They did not hit another vehicle, they hit a curb. As they were trying to take a turn too quickly, slid into a curb, disabled the vehicle.
Then the teen got out of the car and took off running.
There were two people in that car, the passenger remained.
Police say at one point during the ordeal, an officer accidentally fired their gun. The bullet hitting the car the teen was driving.
For whatever reason, the officer had an accidental discharge, an unintentional discharge of their firearm. The bullet did not hit anybody. It did not change the outcome of the call.
Bynum says her coworker heard the gunfire.
The person that was working overnights was actually sitting outside just smoking a cigarette, casual day, just chilling. And he said he heard gunshots and went inside the building.
Bynum says she's used to crime in this area of town and plans to be extra cautious.
Probably just pay more attention to my surroundings and watch what's around me.
In Oklahoma City, Taylor Mitchell, Oklahoma's News 4.
Officers found and arrested the driver, who you heard Taylor say was only 15. The passenger, also just 15. The misfire that happened is under investigation.